Welcome to our thought-provoking YouTube video, where we embark on a captivating exploration of the eternal debate, job experience versus book knowledge. In this comprehensive and in-depth analysis, we aim to uncover the truth behind these two paths of learning and shed light on their respective advantages. Join us on this enlightening journey as we dive deep into the realms of practical experience and theoretical knowledge to unveil their true significance in personal and professional growth. Before we dive into more details for each of those 4 chapters in the video, please don't forget to support our channel, subscribe, like, and feel free to comment below. Chapter 1. The Power of Job Experience. In this section, we delve into the unparalleled benefits of job experience. Through captivating stories and interviews with seasoned professionals, we highlight the invaluable lessons and practical skills acquired through hands-on work. Job experience offers a dynamic learning environment that exposes individuals to real-world scenarios, challenges, and opportunities for growth. Firstly, we explore how job experience nurtures problem-solving skills. In the real world, individuals encounter complex challenges that require creative thinking, adaptation, and resourcefulness. Through first-hand experience, individuals learn to navigate obstacles, develop innovative solutions, and build a repertoire of problem-solving strategies that cannot be acquired solely through book knowledge. Secondly, we delve into the importance of adaptability. Job experience exposes individuals to diverse situations, teams, and industries, fostering flexibility and adaptability in the face of change. The ability to thrive in dynamic work environments is a crucial skill that comes from practical experience, allowing individuals to navigate uncertainty, embrace new technologies, and adjust to shifting market demands. Moreover, we explore the development of teamwork and leadership skills. Job experience often involves collaboration with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders, providing opportunities to hone interpersonal communication, negotiation, and leadership abilities. Through practical experience, individuals learn to navigate diverse personalities, manage conflicts, and inspire teams towards achieving common goals. Furthermore, we discuss the role of job experience in cultivating resilience. The workplace is not immune to setbacks and failures. Job experience exposes individuals to both success and adversity, providing valuable lessons in resilience, determination, and the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Through first-hand experience, individuals develop the mental fortitude and emotional intelligence required to persevere and succeed in challenging circumstances. Lastly, we highlight the deep understanding of industry dynamics gained through job experience. Practical exposure allows individuals to grasp the nuances, trends, and intricacies specific to their field. They acquire insights that go beyond what books can offer, such as the unwritten rules, unspoken norms, and industry-specific practices that can significantly impact success in a professional setting. Chapter 2. The Role of Book Knowledge. In this segment, we shift our focus to the importance of book knowledge. While job experience provides hands-on learning, book knowledge serves as a foundation and a springboard for further exploration and growth. Firstly, we explore the advantages of formal education. Academic institutions provide structured learning environments that impart fundamental knowledge, theories, and principles. Formal education equips individuals with a broad understanding of various subjects, exposing them to diverse perspectives and helping them develop critical thinking and analytical skills. Furthermore, we delve into the value of self-study and the wealth of information available in books. Books are repositories of knowledge, offering a vast range of topics, research findings, and historical context that enrich our understanding. They provide individuals with the opportunity to delve deep into specific subjects, expand their intellectual horizons, and explore new areas of interest. Moreover, we discuss how theoretical knowledge serves as a framework for practical application. Books provide conceptual frameworks, models, and theories that help individuals make sense of their experiences and apply learned concepts to real-world scenarios. Theoretical knowledge enables individuals to approach problems with a structured and informed mindset, enhancing the effectiveness of their job experience. However, it is essential to acknowledge the limitations of book knowledge. Theoretical knowledge, when divorced from practical experience, can remain abstract and disconnected from real-life contexts. It may lack the nuances, complexities, and subtleties that come with on-the-job learning. The practical application of knowledge often requires individuals to navigate unanticipated challenges, make quick decisions, and adapt to dynamic circumstances that cannot be fully captured within the pages of a book. Chapter 3: Synergy and Intersection. In this section, we explore the intricate synergy and intersection between job experience and book knowledge. Rather than viewing them as opposing forces, we highlight how these two paths of learning can be integrated to create a powerful combination for personal and professional growth. Firstly, we discuss how theoretical knowledge enhances the effectiveness of job experience. By understanding underlying concepts and theories, individuals can approach their work with a deeper understanding and strategic mindset. Theoretical knowledge provides individuals with frameworks for analysis, enabling them to identify patterns, make informed decisions, and evaluate the potential consequences of their actions. It helps individuals connect the dots between different experiences, allowing for a more holistic understanding of their work. Moreover, we showcase how practical experience enriches theoretical knowledge. Through on-the-job learning, individuals gain real-life context and first-hand insights that solidify their understanding of theoretical concepts. The application of theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios brings it to life, reinforcing the learning process and providing a deeper level of comprehension. Job experience allows individuals to test and validate theoretical assumptions, leading to a more nuanced understanding of their field. Furthermore, we highlight the importance of integrating both forms of learning to maximize their benefits. By combining job experience with book knowledge, individuals can harness the strengths of each and mitigate their respective limitations. The practical experience provides the context, application, and hands-on skills necessary for success in the workplace, while book knowledge offers a broader perspective, theoretical frameworks, and the ability to explore new ideas and concepts. Additionally, we emphasize the importance of continuous learning and the ongoing intersection of job experience and book knowledge. Learning does not stop at a certain point in one's career. It is a lifelong journey. Individuals must continually seek opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills, blending new experiences with ongoing self-study. By embracing a growth mindset, individuals can adapt to changing demands, explore emerging trends, and remain relevant in their respective fields. Chapter 4: Lifelong Application and Continuous Learning. In this section, we dive into the lifelong application of job experience and book knowledge. We discuss how job experience becomes increasingly valuable over time and serves as a foundation for continuous learning and career progression. Firstly, we explore the concept of lifelong learning. As industries evolve, technologies advance, and societal needs change, individuals must continuously update their knowledge and skills. Job experience provides the context for ongoing learning, allowing individuals to apply new knowledge, test emerging theories, and adapt to new challenges. Lifelong learning ensures that individuals remain competitive, agile, and equipped with the latest insights and practices in their field. Moreover, we highlight how each new experience contributes to a rich tapestry of knowledge and expertise. Job experience offers individuals a mosaic of learning opportunities, from learning from mentors and colleagues to navigating complex projects and solving real-world problems. The accumulation of job experiences enhances an individual's depth and breadth of knowledge, creating a diverse skill set that can be applied to various professional contexts. Furthermore, we discuss the importance of adaptability and the role of job experience in equipping individuals with the necessary skills to thrive in dynamic work settings. The ability to adapt to changing environments, technologies, and market demands is essential for long-term success. Job experience develops resilience, resourcefulness, and the capacity to embrace new challenges with confidence. Additionally, we stress the need to embrace a growth mindset and foster a love for learning beyond the boundaries of formal education. Continuous learning goes beyond acquiring new knowledge. It involves a curiosity-driven approach to seeking out new experiences, experimenting with different roles, and exploring interdisciplinary connections. Job experience provides individuals with the platform to explore their interests, discover their strengths, and pursue opportunities that align with their evolving goals and aspirations. In our closing remarks, we summarize the key insights gained from our exploration of job experience versus book knowledge. We highlight the unique advantages of each path and emphasize the importance of striking a balance between the two. Job experience offers practical skills, contextual understanding, adaptability, and network-building opportunities that are invaluable in the professional world. On the other hand, book knowledge provides theoretical frameworks, foundational understanding, and the opportunity to explore new ideas and concepts. We encourage viewers to embrace a holistic approach to learning that incorporates both practical experience and theoretical knowledge, leveraging their strengths to foster continuous growth and success. By understanding the inherent value of job experience and book knowledge, individuals can navigate their learning journeys with confidence, adapt to new challenges, and unlock their full potential. The integration of job experience and book knowledge is not a dichotomy but a synergy that propels individuals towards lifelong learning and professional fulfillment. Thank you for joining us. We hope you found the information valuable and empowering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on personal finance, investing, and retirement planning.